Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. It is Saturday. I'm here in the Sacramento outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. So let's check it out. There's not a cloud in the sky today. It's a beautiful day and it is crowded. The show has just opened. You can see the lineup for coffee. And today it's crowded because today, I believe, the Ghost Squadron is here. And if you wonder who the Ghost Squadron is, I'm going to show you. Alright, but before we get to it, this is the Cars and Coffee merchandise tent. Alright, and we see some of the sponsors here. That there is, if you want to learn defensive driving, there you go, right there. Defensive driving, and you see all the people gathered here. I see everyone's gathered around the Pagani. Alright, so we have the Bracketeer. We have here Audi R8, that Audi R8, and check out this Pagani Huayra. Let's see. Wow. Green carbon fiber. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the detail on this thing. Look at those suspension components. Wow. Even on the inside, look at the detail. Notice how the carbon fiber meet even on the inside of the car. Like these kind of detail, either you put on the outside, but Pagani even puts it on stuff that you cannot see. And there's a Pagani fire extinguisher in there. Check out the shifter. Insane.
Please back up. Please back up.
Alright, so they have some crowd control here.
Excuse me, buddy. Yeah, go ahead, man. No worries.
Alright, so.
Alright, excuse me.
So there's the AMG engine. Notice the carbon fiber going here. It meets right in the center. Yeah, there you go. The Pagani Huayra BC. Nuts. Amazing car. Amazing car. And over here we have the Ghost Squadron's Koenigsegg. So this is the wrap was done by LA artist James Jean. So he wrapped the car like that, and they're letting people vandalize it or color it, depending on how you see it. So for a $10 recommended donation, which will go to charity, you can color this Pagani. Very cool. And over here, we have the world's fastest Pagani. So this is Ruthie. And this is also wrapped by James Jean. And this is the very car that broke the world record, 278 miles per hour. Yeah. And it's owned by Mark Strickham. And Mark is the founder of LuLaRoe, the multi-level company that sells ligands. So this is his car. And you can see a Netflix, not Netflix, you can see an Amazon documentary on him. Lula Rich, you can watch it on Amazon. So you'll find a little bit about him. Not a bunch about the car, but you'll find a bit about his business. Cool wrap job. And I believe he got a custom plate for it too. Let me see, the custom plate. Yeah, there you go, custom license plate. All right, so world's fastest Koenigsegg. Oops, sorry. Continue right along. I guess this spot was supposed to be reserved for a few other Koenigsegg. I guess they're not here yet. But what is here is the Lamborghini Urus of Share. So if you want to rent this Lamborghini, you can. You can just download the Share app and just Here's a QR code, so you can download the Share app and you can rent this car. Here we have the other sponsor, Polestar. The Polestar 2 J4 GT right here. Yeah, J4 GT. And this is the Superlight, SLC Superlight. The craziest kit car ever seen. Still a work in progress. McLaren GT3. Ferrari F8 Tributo, Viper 600 LT, Audi Sport, Lamborghini, another McLaren, another McLaren 600, another GT3. Oh, the new GT3. Oh, check it out. First time I see one. So this is the old 991 GT3, and this is the 992 GT3. So you can see the difference in the nose design here. Here's the nose of the old one and the nose of the new one. I noticed the snorkel is now divided in two, whereas in the old car, it's more of a one-piecer. Yeah, and the biggest change is this new rear wing. Whereas the GT3 RS has the normal wing like this, the new GT3 has what's called a top-mounted rear wing. And the reason for top-mounted rear wing is simply to provide more surface area for downforce. Most people don't realize this, but the majority of the downforce coming from the wing is not from the top of the wing, but actually from the bottom of the wing. So by eliminating any mounts at the bottom, you get more surface area and therefore more downforce. Oh, it's nice. I really like the way Porsche does the letters now like that. And here you compare it to the old one where it just doesn't have it. And in fact, the GT3 RS, that's a sticker. To save weight, that's just a sticker. That's not a, see? Yeah, this is a regular emblem. So when you buy the GT3, you get a normal emblem, which will add a bit of weight. Like, see this crest here? That's a real crest. Whereas on the GT3 RS, that's a sticker. Yeah, that's a sticker. You save about, I don't know, 1 gram, 2 gram maybe. All right, so 720, rear-wheel drive Lamborghini, another Lamborghini, and still one more Lamborghini. So this is the Aventador Svj. Yeah, Roaster. Wow, nice black and red combination. Owned by, I see it's VF Engineering, so I wanted to supercharge it. They don't make a supercharged kit for the Svj, but I believe they do offer some tuning, so this is probably tuned, making a little more horsepower than it normally would be. Here's a Bmw M4. The hood is up, so you can check out the that engine. Oh my God, that is so tightly packaged. I mean, it's working on this engine would be next to impossible. Can you imagine just changing spark plugs? So you can see the turbo. There's the you can't even see the turbo, but you can see the intercooler. There's the intercooler, and man, I can't even begin to figure out how to change just to change the spark plug on this thing. Oh well, a couple of ZL1 Camaros. These are very nice. Basically, hot rod Camaros for the track. Some Dodge. Muscle Car Road right here. So I said that the Ghost Squadron was here. I'm going to modify the statement. I guess a member or former member of the Ghost Squadron is here, and so only, as far as I can tell, the Koenigsegg only Mark is here. The other members of the Ghost Squadron, I don't know. But I think the issue is there is some business dealing between two of the members that went south. So I'm really not sure if the squadron still exists. Yeah. Wow, check it out. Corvettes from almost every generation. Got C8. Oh, check it out. Vintage. Vintage 427, wow. C8, there's a C4, there's a C3. Wow, nice. Vintage Camaro, and oh, vintage Volkswagen even. This is what you take to go to Surf City, USA. How long with this Lincoln? I love it. Oh my God. I haven't seen one of these things. Wow. The Lincoln Mark V. Look at the headlights, covers. All right, this is the epitome of the land yacht. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh man. The Lando cover. Yeah, that's gotta be the longest coupe I ever seen. I don't think this is chrome enough. But all right, check it out. This is from the Netflix series Car Master, Rusted Riches. So, yeah, if you want a chrome Jaguar, there you go. That's a good-looking Rolls Royce. My God. I mean, it just dwarfs the ZR1. It's a Hooligan Chevelle SS. There you go, big block Chevy with a Harley double pumper. I mean, now that's analog. There's nothing electronic or digital control about this engine. All screwdrivers and wrenches. Cromel with an Elbrock E4 supercharger kit. And a custom intake too.
The last time we came.
Nice. There you go. Another Koenigsegg has showed up. This is the Regera. Koenigsegg Regera, and this is the Koenigsegg's hybrid. Yeah, it's a hybrid. It has an electric motor. It also has a regular ICE motor. It makes around total 1,500 horsepower. So naturally, it's extremely fast. Yeah, so check out the motor here. Yeah, so this is the Regera. Oh, and another interesting about the Regera, it has a one-speed transmission. That's why one gear, it'll go from 0 to 250 miles an hour in one gear. Check out the carbon fiber wheel. Nice. Yeah, the detail that goes into making these cars.
This one is like partially.
And look at all these vandals. How dare them vandalizing a $3 million car. Audi R8 F430 Spider. Ooh, nice. A GTR with looks like a lot of mod in it, and it is for sale. So if you're interested, there you go. Give this guy a text and ask him about this car. But I see quite a few mods. Carbon fiber panels. Looks like carbon fiber doors. Yeah. Carbon fiber hood. And a gold intake and stuff. Carbon fiber nose. Looks like a lot of mods in this one. Check out the size of that wastegate. Wow. Alright. Lamborghini Huracan. 4-seater Ferrari. And oh, check out the halo lights on this vintage muscle car. Oh, matching halo lights. Cool. Audi R8. Lamborghini, Nissan, and you can see, so this is the spill-off parking lot. It's very busy, also very full. Yeah, so this is Self OC Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday, and you never know what's going to show up. If you're a car enthusiast and you live in the OC area, you should definitely check out this show. It's a lot of fun. You get some exercise, you can walk the dog, and have a nice cup of coffee. and talk to fellow car enthusiasts. Yeah. All right, so SeanShop and JohnShop.com. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share it. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.